Hi guys, today we're gonna be making sandwich with yogurt cream filling. Yay! So let's get started. First you need a bowl, a spoon, and this whole package of the Laughing Cow cheese. Open it. The rest. So the next step is you're just gonna smash your cheese with your spoon like this. Next you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of your condensed milk. Any condensed milk is fine. Then 2 tablespoons of your organic Greek yogurt or any yogurt. You're gonna carefully mix your mixture of Greek yogurt or plain yogurt and condensed milk thoroughly. Looks lumpy right now. I'm just gonna quickly add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of Almond Breeze original unsweetened almond milk, or you guys can add any milk of your choice, it's fine. That much is fine. And then start mixing. After you have whisked for 5 minutes until your hands turn fully burning hot red and the mixture has no more lumps. Once you get this mixture, set it aside for a sec. Get your piping bag, but I'm gonna use a Ziploc bag since I don't have a piping bag. And a cup like this, it's fine. And then put your piping bag in. Get a spoon and scoop some of your filling in. Get all that last bits in the bowl in, because you don't want to waste that. Now that you have all your filling inside your Ziploc bag or piping bag, carefully lift the edge of your piping bag or Ziploc bag and close it. Make sure you squeeze all the air out of the bag. And leave this in the fridge to get cold for about 4 to 5 minutes. Get your cutting board ready, your knife, and your bread, especially white sandwich bread. But today I'm going to be using the Frank Premium white bread. The bread, just take 1 slice of bread, cut the sides like this. And then set that aside. But if you want to speed the process up, you can stack 2 or more sandwiches on top of each other, but be careful when you're cutting to not destroy the bread when cutting. and just cut like so. Now that you have all your slices of bread cut like this, perfectly cut like this, and with one side of your leftover crust and the cut bread, make sure you don't throw these away because you can bake this and eat it as a snack. Preparing your bread, take your rolling pin or your DIY rolling pin. I'm just gonna be using this water bottle that I have around, and flatten it like so. And flatten it from all sides here. Make sure to not flatten it really hard or else it will become brittle and break. Just like this is fine, see? And then set it aside and move on to your next bread.
Repeat the same process that you did with the last bread.
To prepare your bread pocket, take one slice like this. Get your spoon and get that leftover condensed milk you used earlier. Take some of that. Spread a thin layer all around the edges of the bread, like so, because you're gonna use this as a glue to seal the pocket. And make sure you leave one side, like right here, open, because so you can fill your pocket with cream. Once you spread that, fold it in half, or a hot dog style as you will. So pinch it down on the sides. You have on the sides with condensed milk. Take your fork, you're gonna stamp it all around the edges to further seal the pocket, like that. Flip it over again, seal the other side. Set it aside.
Make the next one just like that. Just spread it enough to glue it. Not too much, but not too little. Again, fold it in half, pinch it, and then use a fork to stamp all around it to make the seal stronger, so the filling won't spill out when you eat. Do it on the other side too. And as you can see here, that side we left not sealed, it's for the cream.
That long 4 to 5 minutes of your cream chilling in the fridge. Take it out, like so. Take your scissor, cut a small triangle at the tip of your bag, like this. Small, not big. Get the bag out of your cup carefully. Get one of your bread pocket and fill it with cream. Like this. Enough so that it doesn't burst when you eat.
Just near the brim is fine.
Ta-da! This is the final results of you making that viral sandwich pocket with cream cheese filling. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Also, stay safe at home. Wash your hands often. Lastly, if you were able to make this during quarantine, comment down below. That's it. Bye!